you don't necessarily think of space technology being developed in Dún Laoghaire, and it is. It's a really exciting time to work in Earth observation. There's different space agencies pointing their satellites down, collecting data and releasing that freely. Within the marine context though, there's far less. And so Ireland is really leading that, and that's a really exciting thing. We're here in a blustery Scotsman's Bay in Dún Laoghaire. We've just deployed our proprietary mini buoy. This is designed and developed by Techworks Marine. It has 3 different sensors and it can collect data like the chlorophyll concentration in the water. It can collect turbidity data. It can collect total suspended matter data, temperature, and different parameters like that, salinity. That is useful for a broad spectrum of people. So marine scientists might be interested in water quality parameters, all the way then up to offshore wind farm developers, tidal and wave rather developers. We developed CoastEO 2 to integrate satellite data and in situ data for ocean renewable technologies. We can take our data buoys and integrate satellite data from free satellite services like the EU's Copernicus program and private commercial satellites to build up a database of useful information that can inform those developers in those technologies to choose Ireland for those deployments. So the developers can have determination of what that wind farm site is going to produce sort of over time. We deploy it with a full battery and it can be topped up with the solar panels. It can be deployed like we are now, just beside this boat, and it can collect data for a fixed period of time. But then also, if the project demanded multi-month, multi-year, this size buoy would typically be for coastal waters or inland waters, but it can be anchored and collect data as long as the battery can transmit the data. This was developed in-house sort of as a curiosity, but with some commercialization potential. But we've already been speaking to a number of state agencies, showing them the benefits of using Earth observation satellite data, and that's been really exciting. And I think CoastEO 2 will act as a platform for getting more and more of those state agencies involved in this area and using that as a tool to inform their own research or their own remit.